Hi, I'm Phoebe Welburn at the Welburn Gourd Farm, and today I'm showing you our box of mixed-shaped gourds along with some artwork samples. And the mixed-shaped gourds come in a variety of sizes. The one that's on display here, this is the small sizes. Some people think small means really, really small, but these are what we consider to be small. All the gourds you see on the table are representative of what you could get in the box of mixed-shaped gourds, small sizes. So if you see on our website, there's some little tabs on your screen and it'll tell you how gourds are priced. You just want to click on that and you'll see exactly how we price them on the sizing boards for all of the sizes. And then there's some photos of me with some gourds. It's a kind of a good size reference for you. So when you're planning your projects, it's just nice to know small doesn't mean super, super small. These are all going to be small sizes. So the great thing about the mixed shape box is that if you don't have a specific project in mind, it's a great box to get because it just kind of opens up for your imagination to see different ideas. Like you don't necessarily have to have something specific in mind, and these gourds can like sprout all kinds of interesting ideas. So that's why we have the artwork here to show you. This is one of my favorite pieces. This is like a little corn maiden doll by Diane Connelly. And she just took a bottle gourd and she cut the bottom off and made it into her corn maiden. And she took a little tiny jewelry gourd here, if you can see it, and she made it into the little corn bowl that she's holding. So that's a really cool little idea she did with this particular shape. Could definitely be in a mixed shape box. You never know exactly what you're going to get. Bottle gourds, like this one's just a really cool little unique shape. And these gourds down here, these art pieces, were actually made from bottle gourd. Sometimes you just see the round bowl shape, but it's actually like a gourd like this, where it was just cut down here to be made into a bowl. Similar with this one, these two are by Christy Barajas, the sunflower bowl and the one with the roses. And the brown one here with the wood burning and the silver inlay is by Jan Seeger. And if you see this gourd, it's got a really small opening. So that could have been made with a canteen gourd or like something like this. You know, just cut the top off. But it could also be made with a gourd like this, with a small neck size, and you just cut the neck off and it makes a bowl like this with a really small opening. And then over here, this cute little gourd, this is by Diane Connelly, and she calls them, I think she calls them diva chicks. Chicks because it's like a little chicken. Diva because they're all diva'd out with their jewelry and hats. She makes all kinds of these, they're super cute. And this one is just a little paragourd, so really cute idea there. And then last over here with our artwork, this is by Bill Collagen, a really famous gourd artist. He's got some, I'll show you the lid here. He's got some patina finish on his gourds. He likes to do patina and really beautiful geometrical shapes. So that's similar to, you can see this gourd up here, that's a canteen gourd. So all different kinds of things you can do with a mixed shape box. And then right in the middle here, last gourd, this one is also by Christy Barajas, and she did this beautiful wood burn design with the horse and the sort of the leather tool design. So that's a stick and burn pack as well for that one. So all kinds of things you can do. So be sure to just share your artwork with us on Facebook or send us an email and let us know what you do with our box of mixed shape gourds.